Hey everyone, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with the Textmagic Messenger, a unified inbox for SMS and social channels. You'll find the unified inbox inside the Messenger section. Think of this as your central hub for two-way conversations no matter where customers or partners reach out. The unified inbox consolidates messages from up to 7 channels: SMS, live chat, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, voice calls, and even numbers from your preferred CPaaS provider. Connect the channels you need, and once you have at least 2, you unlock the full unified inbox experience. You can add more anytime. This only takes a few minutes per channel. Each one has a guided setup with tutorials and support if you need help. Plus, Textmagic helps you register and verify your business numbers, whether you're using toll-free or 10DLC, so your messages stay compliant and deliver reliably. Once your channels are connected, everything comes together. Regardless of where your customers reach out, all interactions appear in the same Messenger section. Message threads are tagged with channel icons so you can always see where they came from. Need your whole team involved? From the details sidebar, you can add as many teammates as you want. User seats are entirely free. Everyone can see the same messages in context, so nothing slips through the cracks. Cut the inbox clutter. Instantly filter chats by status, channel, tag, assignee, and more. Ensure your support and marketing teams only see what they need to work on, eliminating distractions and boosting response times. Every chat, text, email, or message from your connected inbox appears in the same inbox, so you never lose track of a conversation. In the details sidebar, you can also see more information about the contact, and you can also click on it to view their full interaction history. To stay on top of conversations, you can also add internal notes for your team. They stay private and help everyone stay aligned. And if someone else needs to jump in, just assign the conversation to a teammate. And to help you reply faster, Textmagic includes an AI-powered reply assistant. You can upload your FAQs, guides, or templates, and Point AI suggests responses in real time, so you never start from a blank message again. Alternatively, you could insert a ready-to-send template to reply quickly and maintain a consistent messaging style that aligns with your brand. Need to share a document or image with the customer? You can attach files up to 10 megabytes to your messages from the Textmagic Messenger. And if the tone in conversation calls for it, you can even add a few emojis into the mix to keep the conversation friendly and personal. With Textmagic, you also get unlimited free contacts. There are no caps, no hidden tiers. You can store and message as many people as you want and also segment them by behavior or intent, making it easier to personalize replies at scale. And that's it. That's your tour of the Textmagic unified inbox. Connect your channels, bring your team in, and start managing every customer conversation from one simple workspace. Give it a try today.